Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that in an experiment, a heated cup of coffee is removed from a heat source. The cup of coffee is then left in a room that is kept at a constant temperature. The graph shows the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of the coffee immediately after being removed from the heat source and at 10-minute intervals after. We're asked, during which of the following 10-minute intervals, out of these four, does the temperature of the coffee decrease at the greatest average rate? So what we're going to do is we're going to find the rate of change for all of these. And since these are all 10-minute periods, right, if we're looking at the rate of change of temperature over time, right, they're all going to be over 10 minutes because 10 minutes are passing, so that's the change in time over these intervals, and then we're looking at the change in temperature. So it's going to be over 10, and over 10. So what is the change in temperature then? So we're looking from 0 to 10 minutes. So that's going to be looking on the x-axis from 0 to this hash is 10. So for 0, our value is just under 200. So we can call that 195. Then this one going up, up, up is right under 160. So let's call that 155. 195 divided by, or minus 155 is 40 divided by 10, which is 4. For B, between 30 and 40 minutes, 30 minutes is here, which correlates with this point, which we could say is just about halfway between 120 and this marker. This marker is between 120 and 160, so that's 140. So halfway between 140 and 120 is 130. So we're starting at 130, and then for 40, we're maybe 5 under that, so 125. 130 minus 125 is 5, over 10 is 0.5. Between 50 and 60, we are starting just under 120, right? Finding this point and then finding its y value, starting at about 115, and then at 60, we are at almost exactly 100, right? Again, we have the two hash marks that are marked at 120 and 80, so right in between them is 100. And finally, D, 90 and 100 minutes. You can say this is just above 80, so let's call it 85. And then for 100 minutes, finding the point, going over, its value is about 80. So 115 minus 100 over 10 is 15 over 10, which is 1.5. And 85 minus 80 is 5 over 10 is 0.5. So which of the following is the greatest rate of change? 4 is greater than the other 3. So A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.